Alright, I got that in place. Make sure you keep your bolts if you order this, or nuts, whatever. Didn't come with them. Alright, all I do from now is put this pulley on and put the blade back on, and we're good to go. Pretty easy job. It doesn't wobble. Before I'd shake it like this thing would click so bad. Just click back and forth. I think there was only like 4 or 5 bearings in it when I took it out. It was pretty bad. The piece even actually broke off it in the middle. This piece right here. Oh, that's not that's a bearing piece. There's a piece. I don't know where it is. One of these damn pieces was supposed to stay in there. It's lost. Well, that's how you do the spindle on the Great Dane. Pretty simple job. Worst case scenario, 20-25 minutes to remove it and install it. Have a nice day.